This is the Frugal Gardener, and I'm back with another episode of Buy It or Build It. Or you can reverse it and say build it or buy it. The purpose of this series is to show you that you don't need to spend a lot of money in order to grow things. So this right here, not sure if I can give you a good shot of this. These are Kentucky Wonder pole beans, or just pole beans. You can get any kind of pole beans. Basically, what I did was I took this tomato cage that was laying around, inserted it in a this is one of those buckets you get from those big box stores. It cost about $3.50. This is the same, with one obvious difference. Instead of using a tomato cage, I just basically took the branches that I clipped from my pear tree on the other side of the property, and I'm going to use those to have the pole beans climb up. This could be a little higher, but it will serve the purpose. Now, one thing I wanted to mention about these beans, this is a half a pound bag of beans. This is more beans than that I would use in the next probably 3 or 4 years. But one of the things I encourage people to do is to share. If you buy a larger bag of whatever it is, tomato seeds, beans, cucumbers, and you share those seeds, and they meaning your friends, fellow gardeners, neighbors, and they share with you their seeds, you end up having a bigger variety and you end up saving more money. The reason is because when you buy a package of seeds, you're not going to use that whole pack, even if you just get the little 99-cent pack. The rest of those seeds are going to go bad. Most people just store them, they don't give them away. This way, if you have 4 or 5 friends and each of them buys more seeds than what they need, and you share those seeds, more than likely you're going to come out cheaper. What I will do with these, the ones that I don't give away, I have a little mini fridge, and I'll put these in there, and I'll use more of them next summer. And I'll probably give more of them away next summer, or should I say next spring. So this is the time of year to plant those beans, and instead of going out spending a lot of money on fancy pots, this pot here I think cost me 10 or 12 bucks. Sell them at Walmart, and like I said, this was about $3, and I didn't have to spend any more money except for a couple of beans. So this is a tip you might want to use, and think about it, and I'll catch you on the next one. This is the Frugal Gardener. You guys have a great day.